So here's a video that I should have made a long time ago. The next thing about doing a 5-year passport for a child who's about to turn 18 is there is going to be a hassle for them to do the same process again, mailing the application in and waiting 3 to 5 months when they do it again in 5 years. If they get a 10-year passport right now, they can renew it using the express service, which is a lot faster and is a lot less hassle. Plus, you are going to be paying almost the same as an adult passport for another 5-year passport when you could pay $20 more and get double the time on the passport. So I can lead the horse to water, I cannot make him drink, and I am Gail of 876 Documents with this word to the wise. If you need guidance on how to fill the application form properly, or you want us to do it for you, contact us. We offer consultation and application preparation. So we will fill the forms for you. We will tell you everything you need to know, and we'll make sure it's all done correctly. Or you could contact us if you just want to ask us some questions. We will charge for our time, of course. We're a business. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.